Hello guys, welcome back to Quick Guide, and in this video I'm going to talk about how can you embed your link with your text message into Google Chat. So without any further ado, let's dive right into this exciting video. Now in order to do that, just simply open the chat application into here, and after opening the chat application, just simply open the chat where you would like to send the text with the embedded link. I'm opening this chat right here, and after that just simply tap to the plus button at the bottom right corner, bottom left corner, and after tapping into there you will get to see this format option. Tap to format, and then you will get to see a bunch of options at the very bottom of your application, and you just simply have to choose this link option at second last. Tap to link option, and then you have to tap text into the top and link into the second, such as I am typing how are you, and just simply type the link which you would like to embed with this how are you text. For example, I'm typing facebook.com. Now save it by tapping into check button, and it will show something like this. Now when you send it, it will show just your text, but when they tap into the text, it will open your link. And this way you can easily embed your link with your text that you sent. I hope this video was helpful for you. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel to never miss another update. Thank you for watching the video.